Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to recover Instagram account without an email or phone number. Firstly, open the Google browser on your cell phone. Now search for Instagram Help Center. Or you can also type I can't log in Instagram Help Center. And that will give you the link of that page directly. Now tap on the first link. Now tap on Recover Your Password. Once you're in this section, you can actually report to Instagram about your problem. Just explain to them that you have forgot your email and password. Now submit this request and Instagram is going to reach out to you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.